Hi friends, we are again here with two more questions. So with every question what you can do is always take the question, solve on your own. Okay, always see the solution once you are done attempting that. Okay, never look before. Okay, so that is my suggestion to you. Let's look at this question. If all the words formed from the letters of the word horror are arranged in opposite order as they are in dictionary, then what is the rank of this word? So nothing special, right? Just that opposite order is something special. So can I write this whole word in with letters in opposite order? Last is R, right? So R, R, R. There are three R's. Then O comes, and after that H, right? This is the like order in the dictionary. We have to take the alphabets in the opposite order. So we are going to take in this order. Okay, now let's get started. The very first will come, then R, right? According to opposite of dictionary, R will be the first word. Okay. Now, how many are left? One, two, three, four, five. There are total six letters over here. So, place for five letters are left. Okay, how many ways you can arrange those five? Factorial five, correct? Now, among those factorial five, two are R's and two are O's. Okay, so divide by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Okay, these are number. If you want, you can evaluate it. 120 and then divided by 4, that would be 30. Okay, now next comes what? O, right? So fix this O because we want H, right, to the begin with. So R and O we have to exhaust beforehand. So again, how many places again? 5. So let's arrange them. 5 factorial. Now what? You have 3 R's, right? Rest are all different because one O you have already fixed in the first place. So divide by 3 factorial. So how much is this? 120 divided by 6. Okay, that's 20. Now what? Now comes H, right? Now H comes. Okay, what we have to do now? Again, there are 5 places, but now the second position will be taken by R according to our dictionary right now. Okay, now remaining places 4. So one H you have taken, one R you have taken, then there are 4 letters, right? So 4 factorial, in which 2 are same and another 2 are same, 2 R's and 2 O's. Now what is this value? You will get this to be 624 upon 4, that's 6. Now our final thing, okay? H after R is the priority for O, okay? But then as in dictionary, can I write now? Because H you have taken, O you have taken, the remaining one, if I write in the present dictionary order, like backward dictionary order, then you have this, okay? That is like one way I can do this. Now, can you see that the next will be horror, right? Because in the next one, you will swap the two, right? So R O R. Okay, so that will be the last one. Now let's count 50, 56, 57, 58. Okay, so the rank of the word horror is 58. Easy, right? Okay, let's look at the next question. Next question is saying you are forming a 6-digit number. Okay, each digit has to be used only once. Okay, and such that 3 digits are even and 3 are odd. Okay, now they're calling that how many ways you can do that. They're calling it lambda, and they're looking for exponent of 10 in lambda. So first, of course, we need to figure out lambda, right? Then we will figure out how much exponent of 10 it is there. So how do we do? How many odd numbers do you have? Single digit, of course. Yeah. So 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. 5. Okay. How many evens do you have? 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. 5 and 5. What do you have to do? Form a 6-digit, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to fill the 6 places using 3 even and 3 odd. What do I do? Just select, okay? From 5, select 3 odds. Similarly, from 5, select 3 evens. Okay, how many ways you can do that? Selecting 3 odds and selecting 3 evens. Everyone go with everyone, right? So you have to take a product multiplication rule. Okay. Now, you already got 6, right? 3 from here and 3 from here. How many ways you can arrange them? The 6 digits you got, there are 6 places, right? You can arrange them in 6 factorial ways, right? So with every arrangement, you can arrange them in 6 factorial ways. Okay, so you multiply by 6 factorial. Are we done? No, right? Why? Because if 0 is in the first place, then it is not a 6-digit number, right? It is only a 5-digit number. So we have to subtract that possibility in which 0 is at the first place. Okay. Now, how do I do that? If 0 is in the first place, then there is no option for a 0, right? Okay. Then how many ways I can choose odds? Again 3. It's 5C3. Okay. How many ways I can choose even now? There are only 4, right? Remaining. Okay. Among that, I have to choose only 2. This. How many did I choose? 5, right? 3 from odds and 2 from evens. Now 5 I have to arrange in 5 places. How many ways? Factorial 5. Okay, just write it down. So the number of ways I can select the 5, sorry, this is 4, 4C2, and the number of ways I can arrange them, this. So this should be your total number of ways. Let's figure out what's the number. 5C3 is 10. Again 5C3 is 10. 6 factorial minus 5C3 is 10. 4C2 is 6. You evaluate that. Okay, sometimes these numbers we just remember. What do? I just take 10 common and 6 factorial common. Okay, what I'm left with? 10 minus, so 10 I have taken common, this combinedly will be 6 factorial, which also I have taken common, this is 1. So 10 into 6 factorial into 9. So 90 times, how much is 6 factorial? 120 times 6, that's 720. Okay, how much is this? This would be 64800. They are looking for exponent of 10 in this. Okay, so I can write this into 10 square. So exponent is 2. Okay, so my answer should be 2 for this question. Nice questions. Okay, see you with another set of questions soon. Bye bye.